Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. This vlog is a little bit different as far as like timing and everything and what's going on. It's weird. We didn't even think we'd find ourselves in these circumstances, but as you know from the title, we're out of a job temporarily. But don't worry. I know people are like in a panic. There is money to be made. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys are in the same position. We're not the only ones, so that's why we want to help you guys with this video. So yeah, we're just going to give you guys some tips on how to really make money like during this time of isolation. Legit ways, yeah. Today's video, like we said, is a little different, but we just kind of want to open up with like where we are, what's happening with us, and just ways that we can help you guys out. If you guys don't know, the main portion of our income, like our main jobs, were servers at a restaurant, and because of this whole pandemic that's happening, the mayor of Los Angeles shut down all in-person dining, which includes us. So any restaurant where you have to go in to eat, it's a big no-go. So yeah, we're out of a job until further notice. Yeah, just to let you guys know, we are furloughed. We didn't lose our job completely. We will be back. We just don't know when. But yeah, we're definitely exploring our options money-wise, because at some point we do need to start making more money. By the way, I know there's other people that are in the same position. I know it's crazy with like bills and rent and everything. Honestly, at this point, if you just keep in contact with your landlord or your credit card company, if you have credit cards with bills, anything like that, if you just tell them the situation, I mean, if they're living under a rock, they probably already know. So most companies are very understanding. I mean, we talked to our landlord and explained the situation. He wasn't too pressed. A lot of people are understanding, and that's because they're going through the same thing. A lot of people are going through the same thing. Their business are shut down. They know what we're going through. So I mean, there's a few horror stories that we've heard of where their landlord's like, I know a homeless shelter you can go to. That's actually a true story, but most of the time, most people are understanding of what's happening. But if you need some kind of peace of mind, there's options. I know for us, you can file for unemployment. We did that yesterday. Yeah, we did that yesterday. There's a website. I'll have links below so you guys won't be like, oh, where do I go? Another thing is grants for specifically servers. So I'll have that link down below, but if you have issues with like your rent, bills, food, or something like that, they'll give you money. But there's options out there. But yeah, these take time. They're not really immediate, but they're definitely worth looking into for the future. Yeah. And again, I just want to say that this is not a pity party for us. We're not the only ones in this position. This is just a video to help you guys to make money, and it's also helping us at the same time. Yeah. So we're gonna get into the first way, and you guys have probably already heard of it, but it's Amazon. Amazon, they've been on CNN recently because they are like, we are hiring immediately. It's a quick turnaround. Like I think they said like 7 days after you apply, they'll get back with you and everything, but they really need people. We were put under a shelter-in-place order, so like you can't really go out anywhere, and a lot of people are looking for Amazon Prime to get their essentials, because Amazon Prime ain't so Prime anymore, because if you go on Amazon you can see that it's not like the next day or the next 2 days. So there's literally a week. Exactly. So there's a demand. I think there's more than a week too. But there's a demand for people to be out and about delivering packages, because people need to order their essentials online instead of going out and having contact with people or just even risking it. So Amazon is a big one right now. They have all kinds of jobs, warehouse jobs. I don't know if that's still in effect because of the whole shelter at home order, but they also have virtual jobs too that are listed, and it's only for certain states. So just go through and they'll have like states that are virtual, like you can work from home, and they're offering $2 extra for the base pay. And there's also a program called Amazon Flex. It's kind of like where you can report to a warehouse to get deliveries and deliver it. You can deliver it by your car, and you can just report to the warehouse. You don't even have to get out to be in contact with somebody. You can just pick up the package or whatever from your car. And everything's done with your phone. They scan your license from your phone. You do it in the car. The only reason you would get out of the car is to pack your car with like the boxes and then deliver them. But it's minimal, human contact. Right. It's something that, like we said, definitely needed. So look into that too if you have your own car and nothing to do. And then we did mention virtual jobs with Amazon, but there's some that everybody can do, and it's from this legit site, because I know some virtual work at home sites are so sketchy and scammy, and it's so annoying because you waste your time going through it and you get nothing. But this site is legit. It's called Rat Race Rebellion. Like I said, links will be below, but basically they give a list of all these jobs that you can do from home. You can help like do jobs for people that are disabled maybe, and you can do that from home, by the way. And you go on the site, there's don't be like overwhelmed because there is a lot going on, but if you like explore the site and know where you're going, you can find some good stuff that's in your area. I mean, it'll help here and there, like little jobs. Obviously, virtual work at home jobs, you can do maybe like 2 or 3 of them, then the cash together will be enough to pay your bills. But then some of them I think pay really well. I saw one that was like for $25 an hour. But yeah, they're pretty good. So check out ratracerebellion.com. All right, next, Postmates, Uber Eats, and DoorDash. Those are all
Grubhub.
Yeah, Grubhub. Those are all food delivery services that you can do online. It's like an app. As you guys know, mentioned before, our job shut down and stuff, but they are still open for deliveries and takeout. But yeah, those food delivery services, those are still open, and actually now more than ever, because we are, you know, confined in our house and in isolation. You do need things like food and stuff, and you don't want to go to the grocery store. Like Eboni, she's been Uber Eatsing.
Ran out of coffee.
Yeah, but like a lot of people now are just like, I just need food. So now they're downloading these apps and everything. So there is a high demand for that. So if you want to get into that, I actually signed up for Uber Eats. It took like 3 days for me to get approved because the site kept crashing. I think it's because everybody was trying to get up there. But I finally got approved. So all you need is what? Your car insurance, driver's license, car registration, profile picture. They're gonna do a background check. So all of that got approved within like 3 days. So yeah, I do encourage you guys to sign up. Some people do all 3. I know my friend does all 3. So he just like sets a day where he just goes out and he just works for hours and stuff. So
there's money to be made.
Yeah, he makes pretty good money with that. So that's what we'll have everything linked below. I'm sure you've already heard of them.
Right.
But, yeah, that's definitely an option. Also, I know with these, you don't want to have contact with people. I mean, it's very minimal contact, but if you don't want to like actually hand off the food or whatever you're dropping off to the person, they have it so that you can like request that, hey, I'm just gonna drop it off at your door, but you can kind of word it so that they'll know, they'll understand and everything. So all right, and for people who make YouTube videos, my creators out there, I don't even know, I think some of y'all do have YouTube channels, but it's not even just YouTube, it's like social media in general. If y'all have a YouTube channel, by the way, just drop it below and we can check it out. But if you have any kind of social media, any kind of YouTube channel, keep making content. And if you haven't, this is now the time to start while you're isolated inside and everything. Now's the time to start. Obviously, won't be growing to like 100K, but even if you get your first 100 subscribers, you're still a micro influencer. Yeah. And I feel like once we come out of this, now more than ever, like people are gonna need micro influencers and influencers in general.
Exactly.
To just, you know, boost sales and everything. So I feel like now's the time to get started, and we'll have links below on like YouTube experts that we've watched on how to get to your first 100, how to get your first 500. Yeah, because their tips really do help your channel to grow. Because people, they don't want to look at the news anymore. If you can put content out there, that can actually turn into money for you, especially if your channel is able to be monetized. These big companies, they know that people are watching YouTube. They know that people are out there finding other ways to consume content, so they are putting ads on any kind of YouTube videos. So that's how you can make money through that. Even in the community tab, when I asked you guys what else you want to see from us, we got really good responses. So that made us think that, hey, people are really tuned into YouTube right now. It's a good time to put out content that people want to see, and just not only just making money, but just to make people feel better, because some people just don't want to watch the news and see all that mess. And still keeping with the whole creator making YouTube videos, you can also still get sponsorships, by the way. We just finished a sponsorship. We have another one coming up, but basically how we get our sponsors, we just write proposals. We're starting to get pretty good at that. It took a while, but we reach out to we reach out to people. We use FameBit. I don't know if you guys heard of them, but it's just this platform where companies send out they send out like a listing saying, hey, we need creators to do this, here's our budget. So you send a proposal selling yourself, saying, hey, this is my channel, I do this or whatever, so can we work together? If you guys want to see how we do proposals and everything, I don't know how many of y'all have channels, like I said, listed below, and we'll come up with something, or I don't know, just try to figure out a way to like kind of teach y'all how to do proposals, because there's like an art to not really an art to it, but there's a format you can follow that
it's not really art
to it.
It's not really our YouTube niche, like
so that's why we haven't really posted like how to write proposals. But honestly, if you guys want to see it, we can figure out a way to get that out to you,
platform to get that out to you guys or something. So yeah, comment down below if you guys want to see that.
All right, next, this is something that's not going to get you money like right now. It's more in the future, and that's investing in stocks. And I know a lot of people are seeing articles and stuff about how the stock market is, you know, everything's low right now, and when to buy, when not to buy. But there was an article on Business Insider Prime. Not a lot of people have that subscription, Business Insider Prime. It is a subscription-based article.
an article that popped up in my inbox. These 13 stocks that could skyrocket 35% or more. I just want to share with you guys because I know a lot of people don't have this subscription, but fear not, I am here. CVS Health, and the ticker is CVS. Target, ticker is TGT. Advanced Auto Parts, AAP. Salesforce, CRM. Jazz Pharmaceuticals, JAZZ. Sarepta Therapeutics, SRPT. Citigroup, that's just C. Tempur Sealy, that's TPX. General Electric, GE. CrowdStrike, CRWD, and CarMax, KMX. So those are the 13 stocks that they're predicting that could, you know, skyrocket 35%. We are not experts. I'm not an expert.
Say,
like y'all,
we're not experts, but we do have
read.
a platform that we invest in stocks on. So you use Robinhood.
I use Robinhood, yeah.
I use Fidelity. You can link your bank account so you can just buy from there and stuff. It's so easy once you figure out everything and link stuff together. And yeah, so those little abbreviations that Erica was saying, you just put that in and then they'll show you where you can buy it. So easy.
And you can like save them to your watch list so you can see when they go up or when they go down, so it's easier for you guys to know when to buy and whatnot. And there's also articles on the app as well. So
if you guys know anything about stocks, teach us in the comments below, or like at least send us a link on someone that we can watch to kind of help us, because it's something we really want to get more into, you know, just for long term. This thing will pass. It will, and everything's gonna eventually get back to normal. It's gonna take a while, but it'll get there. But yeah, like we said, just let us know if you have any other suggestions on what we can do to get additional income and what other people can do to get additional income. But yeah, hang in there, guys. We still have our Sunday videos coming. We'll try to get better at more content because clearly we have nothing to do. You guys listed what you want to see.
If you guys want to follow us on TikTok, we are on TikTok.
Yeah, we are on TikTok. So if you want to see us dance, that's going to be linked below. It's pretty much our YouTube channel, 2LL1. So yeah,
thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Stay safe.